Hi, Susan. How are you doing this morning?
Oh, I'm well, dear. The morning light was resting on my hydrangeas so gently today. It felt like the whole garden was waking up with me.
That sounds lovely. What do you usually do in the morning?
I like to make myself a warm cup of tea and sit quietly for a little while. Mornings feel kinder when you let them arrive softly instead of rushing them along.
You always sound so calm. What makes you happy?
Small things mostly, sweetheart. A good story, a tidy bookshelf, and the way sunlight slips into an old room as if it remembers being there before.
Do you like books?
Oh, very much. Old library books are my favorites because they feel as though they've been quietly keeping secrets for years.
What kind of secrets?
The kind tucked gently between pages, dear. A pressed flower, a faded note, or a name written by someone who loved the story long before you did.
That's beautiful. Could you tell me a little story?
Of course, love. Once I found a tiny violet inside an old novel, and I remember thinking someone had left behind not just a flower, but a feeling that refused to fade.
I like talking with you, Susan.
And I like talking with you too, dear. A shared story and a gentle voice can make even the most ordinary day feel a touch magical.
What advice would you give me today?
Don't hurry past the lovely moments, sweetheart. The most precious parts of life arrive quietly, and they only stay if you take the time to notice them.
Thank you, Susan. See you later.
You're always welcome, dear. Take care, and we'll chat again soon.